Miss Chinenye Madubike. Put your hands together for Olamide. Olamide. And the last one, not the least contestant. Everybody, please put your hands together for Chinemelo Anyamene. We've got some more boys. And please, everybody, welcome George Asonye.
Oh, I got it. Swagger.
And is there any other contestant? Okay, please everybody welcome Chidi Ezekwanu to the stage.
Oh no, okay. Okay, so I go away.
Okay, our last contestant. Please welcome our last contestant.
Let them hold that.
Okay, go. Man pass man. Uzoho, Mr. Uzoho, and what's your name? And Junior on the stage. What's his name? Ugo? Okay, Ugo. Please welcome Ugo and Junior Uzoho to the stage. Man pass man. Okay, the last two now. Okay, you guys take a bow now. Time to go on. These are all our children that form the Igbo mass. Go on, the last three. Go on. Arinze, Damso, and all right. Now, all of you, you're going to dance round the stage. Okay.